What's up, guys? I'm chilling right now, man, at the Smackers. Just landed in Memphis, man. So, I came out here. We got the blue Kool-Aid going on, man. You know what I'm saying? We out here. So, I came out here. I'm gonna show y'all a little review of what's going on. And I came out here on some more shit, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna share this journey with y'all today, man. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned in, man. But we sitting, we in Bartley right now at the Smackers, man. And I'm gonna show y'all the food in just a second when it come out. They making that shit fresh, you know what I'm saying? So it gonna be about 15, 20 minutes, but this shit gonna be fresh. And I'm gonna show y'all what's going on and what we got, baby. This the burger that I chose to get right here, man. Look at that burger, man. This how I eat when I come to the city, man. You got the fries, the burger, you know what I'm saying? You got all type of good shit on there, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna let y'all get in there, you know what I'm saying? Then we got the blue Kool-Aid, the famous blue Kool-Aid. So we stopped for a little second, you know what I'm saying, to get something to eat. It ran me a nice pretty penny, man. Just the receipt, man. It ran me a nice pretty penny for just that and that. But just know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna get with y'all when we start moving. We're gonna eat this, and when we start moving, I'm gonna get with y'all and let y'all know something else. So man, right now I'm on the way to my cousin's house where I've been keeping this journey there since I left. And I said, if I ever had the chance to come back to the city, I'm gonna see what's up with it. So that's where I'm on the way to. Now, we on the way, man. We gonna hook up them hitch, go to U-Haul a day before we get ready to leave. I'm finna, find a tie shop, put some tires on this thing, and we finna get the fuck up out of Memphis. You feel me? Okay, baby. So we made it to the max, baby. How you gonna hit the hood and food for me? Trying to pop that hoe. I couldn't pop that hoe yesterday. There we go. Yeah, baby. So look, I ain't introduced y'all. This the oldest motherfucker on the planet. This the second Maxima they ever made. But I'm looking for the first one. Anybody got the first one? They see this video? Fuck with me. Tell me. I'm gonna fly to you and I'm gonna come get that bitch. But look, this motherfucking, you know what I'm saying, old school. I had it sit up for a long time, man. I bought it about 2 years ago, some shit like that. But finna get some shit going, man. Gotta go get some tires, all the tires on flat and dry rotted and shit. But I'm finna get some shit going. So look, come with me though, man. Some people probably never saw this shit, never know what it was. Most people think this bitch a Volvo. This a Maxima, baby. The best of the best. It's stinky as hell in here because of the gas. I'm gonna take this tank off the hoe. And I'm gonna just, kind of semi-restore it. Kind of semi-restore it, not restore it. Semi-restore it, baby. I'm gonna take that ugly ass rack up off of here. That shit so ugly, baby. We gonna fill that shit in and probably wrap this bitch. But this my seats in that bitch. This where the back seat said type of shit. Let me you know what I'm saying? Just getting some shit going though, man, you know. Let's see that how. Let me show you that.
They're cool, we trying to come
Oh, alright. Yeah, guys. Here it come, man. This is my first time putting my hands on this motherfucker. With the old cars, man, there's always got to be something, man. I stripped one of the little studs now, but I got a welder, so I might weld something to it and just screw that bitch off. I gotta go get that welder. I'm finna try something right now. Okay, guys, I got the towel. I had to beat one of them boys on there, man. Old school shit. I had to beat a 22 socket on there. I got them on there. We finna get them rollers up under this motherfucker. Then we can wash her, push her, take her to the goddamn storage, whatever. And I don't know what we gonna do. I'm debating in my head what we gonna do to fix it. About to go get some rollers for her. I'm about to go get some rollers for her, baby. I gotta get all my tools and shit. Can't leave these. I'm gonna leave this shit though. Can't leave this big boy out here. We in the middle of the trenches. I can't leave this big boy out here. Throw these in the back seat and be back to do what I gotta do. So, man, we up here getting it in, man, in Memphis 10. I'm at the tie shop, baby. Trying to see, he finna go check and see if he got the tie I need. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm finna do. If they got the tie, I ain't that far from my little cousin house. If they got 3 of them, we can make it happen. Get it rolling, baby. Get it rolling, rolling, rolling. And I gotta wash that out before I take it back. I got a lot of shit to put on there, type shit. Y'all got some?
60-ish.
Huh?
$60-ish.
Hell nah, I can't do that, my boy. I'm looking for something about 40 or something. If they don't know you a car guy, man, they gonna try to fuck you, man. You know what I'm saying? But you can go get some spark plugs. Them folk gonna tell you the highest fucking price they can tell you, bro. The more I can do, bro, is like 40 a tie, baby. That's it. That nigga said 60 a tie. Who the fuck? I'm going to my people, man. I'll see y'all when I get to my people. My boy, man, my boy, my boy, my boy, man. See, man? Good people take care of you, baby. I had to come to my people, man. They know my price, man. 40, baby. My boy getting me right, baby. Y'all in the city, and y'all need a tie, man. Come up over here on Macon and fuck with my people, bro. I got 2 more whips in the city. I mean, yeah, 2 more cars to get back to the house, man. I just need something to throw on there to get that bitch 1,500 miles away. It's a motherfucking work truck, man, not a show truck, man. 4x4 truck, man. So, man, this motherfucker might not been trying to crank in 50 years, man. I put the tires on that thing. So, stay tuned.
I just want to show the world that I really do this shit.